Hey everyone, welcome back to the Advice Hour. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important but often overlooked: money trouble. Don't worry, we'll keep it fun and lighthearted while we uncover the 16 signs that you might be in money trouble and share some tips on how to turn things around. Number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Struggling to cover expenses and having nothing left to save. Yep, that's living paycheck to paycheck. It's like running on a hamster wheel, exhausting and getting you nowhere. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and try to save at least a small amount each month. If you need more cash flow, consider side hustles like dog walking or becoming a weekend barista. Number 2. Missing payments. Frequently missing bill and loan payments. Ouch! This can hurt your credit score and lead to late fees. It's like getting detention for your wallet. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you pay your bills on time. If you're struggling, contact creditors to discuss payment plans or hardship options. Adulting, right? Number 3. Relying on credit cards. Using credit cards for daily necessities because you lack cash? Red flag. It's like living on monopoly money. Review and adjust your budget to reduce unnecessary expenses. Focus on building an emergency fund to reduce reliance on credit cards for everyday needs. Think of it as building your financial safety net. You don't want to be the high wire act without one. Number 4. Maxed out credit cards. Having maxed out credit cards is a bit like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. Not a good idea. Prioritize paying down your credit card debt. Consider using methods like the debt snowball or avalanche to systematically reduce balances. Start with the small wins or tackle the high-interest monsters first. Your call. Number 5. Paying only minimums. Paying only the minimum amount due on credit card bills? That's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a teaspoon. You'll never get there. Aim to pay more than the minimum payment each month. Focus on high-interest debts first to reduce the total interest paid over time. Treat your debt like a pesky ex. It's time to break up. Number 6. Borrowing to pay bills. Taking out loans or borrowing from friends and family to cover regular expenses? Awkward and unsustainable. Like wearing your pajamas to a job interview. Reevaluate your budget and reduce discretionary spending. Seek financial counseling to create a sustainable financial plan. Sometimes you need a money makeover. Number 7. Overdrafting bank accounts. Regularly overdrawing your checking account? That's like playing financial whack-a-mole. Fees keep popping up. Keep a close eye on your account balances and set up alerts for low balances. Build a buffer in your checking account to avoid overdrafts. Think of it as your financial force field. Number 8. Ignoring or avoiding bills. Not opening or avoiding bills and bank statements. Ignorance is not bliss. It's more like financial peekaboo gone wrong. Open all bills and statements promptly. Set aside time each week to review and address them. If overwhelmed, seek help from a financial advisor. Face the music. It's better than dancing with debt. Number 9. High debt to income ratio. A high debt-to-income ratio means a significant portion of your income goes toward debt payments, limiting your financial flexibility. It's like trying to dance with shackles. Focus on paying down debts to reduce your debt-to-income ratio. Consider debt consolidation or refinancing to lower interest rates and payments. Free yourself and dance like nobody's watching. Number 10. No emergency fund. Lacking savings for emergencies leaves you vulnerable to unexpected expenses, potentially leading to more debt. It's like walking a tightrope without a safety net. Start building an emergency fund by saving a small amount regularly. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It's your financial security blanket. Don't leave home without it. Number 11. Declined credit. Being denied credit or loans due to poor credit history or high debt levels is a clear sign of financial trouble. It's like being benched in the big game. Check your credit report for errors and work on improving your credit score by paying bills on time, reducing debt, and limiting new credit inquiries. Time to get back in the financial game. Number 12. Using payday loans. Relying on payday loans or other high-interest loans can trap you in a cycle of debt due to their exorbitant interest rates. It's like borrowing from a loan shark, but with paperwork. Avoid payday loans and seek alternative options like credit union loans or financial assistance programs. Focus on creating a budget to manage expenses. Say goodbye to the sharks. Number 13. Stressed about money. Constant stress and anxiety about finances can affect your overall well-being and indicate underlying financial issues. It's like carrying around a rain cloud. Address the root causes of your financial stress by creating a budget, seeking financial advice, and developing a plan to manage debt and expenses. Don't let money be a storm cloud. You deserve sunshine. Number 14. No retirement savings. Not contributing to a retirement account or having little saved for retirement can jeopardize your future financial security. It's like planning a road trip without gas money. Start saving for retirement as early as possible. Contribute regularly to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, even if it's a small amount. Future you will thank present you. Number 15. Garnished wages. Having wages garnished to pay off debts is a serious financial warning that indicates you're not meeting your debt obligations. It's like having your lunch money taken every payday. Contact your creditors to negotiate payment plans or seek legal advice. Consider debt counseling to address and resolve underlying financial issues. Time to reclaim your lunch money. Number 16. Selling assets. Selling personal belongings to pay for basic expenses or debts indicates severe financial distress. It's like a yard sale you never wanted to have. Focus on creating a sustainable budget and seek professional financial advice. Consider exploring ways to increase income or apply for assistance programs. Let's keep your stuff in your home, not on your lawn. If any of these signs sound familiar, don't panic. The first step is recognizing the issue. From there, you can take proactive steps to improve your financial health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on managing your money wisely. See you next time.